what you love and the money will follow. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the number one place for 9 to 5 employees and rookie online business owners. Before we begin, remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Every single week, I'll be posting content related to online business and additional income stream for 9 to 5. Anyways, let's dive in now. I'm a passionpreneur mentor. I'm all about helping millennials to turn your passion into profits, to helping you build a profitable online business around your passion. But I have to stress that doing what you love and the money will follow you is actually a myth. And I know this might sound counterintuitive, but let me explain to you. I told a lot of people that I love running an online business, but the hours of hard work I had to put in while trying to hit my KPI back in my corporate firm, and the daily pressures from my ex-boss wanting me to be the top rookie, while also coping my anxiety that my retail business had failed and I had to put in more effort into building my online business. Do you think I love any of this process? Even right now, while also managing my online business, I have to manage my coaching business. My friends always think being a coach is so easy. It's like I can just model another coach and deliver the same message out to the world. Heck no, this is copying and this is unethical. I've talked about the steps to creating a strong personal brand, which you can check it out somewhere here. I'll put the link somewhere in this video here and in the description box down below. Creating personal brand is necessary in all kinds of businesses, and the journey to creating a strong personal brand requires you to get out of the comfort zone. The first time when I had to speak in front of the camera, I was shivering. Do you think I liked it? The first time when I had to go on live, I was shivering. Do you think I liked that too? Although I enjoy running an online business and mentoring my students, but I never liked any of the processes I've mentioned just now. I have students before they join my coaching program, they mentioned to me that they love to procrastinate, and this is actually one of their major roadblocks. I was like, okay, I can coach you on all the strategies, coach you on how to do your content, but what if my students still choose to do what they love and return back to their natural habitat, which is to procrastinate? If that's the case, even if I inject countless of strategies into them, they are never ever going to get anywhere because they do what they love, which is to procrastinate. In order to make money to do what you love, you have to bring value to the world. That say, I actually love to shop, chill, and have afternoon tea. All this bring value to me, but do they bring any value to others? No, they don't. If I just chill and have my tea, what value can I bring to others? Probably just contributed to the cafe's revenue a little. In the business world, people don't care what you do. They don't even care how much work you have put in. The only thing a client or the consumer cares is the value you can bring to them in exchange of their money. Can you solve my problem? Can you take me from A to B? If you can do that, then people is willing to pay for it because they see the value in it. One time, one of my graduates asked me this question. So Clara, what if someone comes up to you and tell you he or she loves to sleep? Sleeping is the passion. I was like, well, if that person can turn sleeping into a technique that teaches people who experience insomnia how to sleep, then he or she can definitely pursue sleeping as the passion. Your options are only as limited as you let them be. If you feel your passion is less lucrative than your day job, it is because you define it to be that way. Let's say you love to draw, but you never put in the effort to learn and do whatever it takes from you drawing as a passion to making good money from it. Because I tell you, it is definitely possible, and I'm all about helping you to achieve that. If your passion is not a viable full-time career, it is because you choose it to be so. If your passion cannot meet your material needs, it is because you think it to be so. If you're willing to do whatever it takes, get as uncomfortable as it is, and you feel, but you do it anyway. Making money doing what you love is going to be possible. I hope you find these tips helpful. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching all the way until here. My Facebook group, Make Money Doing What You Love, is finally here, and I'll be holding exclusive training sections inside for free. So if you're interested, do check it out. I'll leave the link in the comment section and description box down below. I'll see you in the next video.